Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm your trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of AUD Australian dollar, Canadian dollar for 9th April. So this analysis is for 9th April only. You'll see me next week again with the analysis for the coming week. I bring videos on daily basis so that you get to stay ahead of the market. So please do subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist for the analysis of other currency pairs. And I have recently launched this small course for those who do not have any idea about the working of the market and how the charts work. Okay. Because though I have started this channel recently, but I have received many messages and comments where people have expressed their pain and telling that they have lost their money, and I have found out that the main reason and the most common reason was that people do not understand the market. They do not understand how the chart works. As a result, I have launched a small course. Okay, it consists of total 32 lessons. So if you are a beginner and if you have not much idea about the functioning of the market and charts, then please do watch this playlist. Okay, Forex and stock learning course for beginners. You'll find in my channel only. So before losing any money further, please watch these videos. And let's get back to the chart right now. So this is the chart of AUD CAD. You can see right now. And as you can see, right now market is trading above the 50 moving average. And as we all know, market was in downtrend for last couple of weeks. And let me show you. And as we all know, 50 moving average was the resistance for the market. Whenever market was trying to go up, it was providing resistance, and as a result market was coming down, and we got plenty of opportunities to make money, and hopefully you have made good profit out of OutCap in the last couple of weeks. But right now the things have changed a little bit because market is trading above the 50 moving average, and I have already shown you in the weekly chart in my previous videos why the market has reversed. Market has reversed only because of this particular support, because 50 moving average is providing support to the market for the last 3 weeks. Okay, this is the current week and these are the previous weeks. Yes, if you watch these three candles, you can see that 50 moving average, okay, 50 moving average is providing the support to the market for the last 3 weeks. As a result, we anticipated that 50 the downtrend will no longer be available for us, and as expected, yes, the market is trading above the moving average. So what should be a strategy now? Okay, our strategy can be, let me draw lines here. If I show you the chart like this, then you may get confused. Okay, but if I zoom out the chart and if I tell you just to concentrate on this particular level, okay, just concentrate on this level, then you can easily see that market is in a range right now. Okay, you do not need to look at this portion. Okay. Just concentrate on this particular portion, then you can easily see that market is in a range right now. So whenever market is in a range, what do we do? Okay, we buy at the support and sell at the resistance, and you just need to do the same thing only. So if you find the market going up, then just observe the price when it will reach this particular level of resistance. When it will reach the resistance, just observe the price. If you see that price is about to reverse, short the market. You will be making some good money or quick profit easily. In in case there is a breakout or market breaks this level, okay, then that's a different game. Then you need to wait for 3 to 4 hours and just observe the price. Okay, just understand the thing here. Overall market was in downtrend. Okay, overall market was in downtrend. As a result, we should only be looking for shorting opportunities. But in the higher time frame, we have seen that market has got support. Therefore, shorting the market is out of question now, because higher time frame is the time frame of the bigger players. Therefore, what we should do then? We should just observe the market and trade accordingly. First and foremost, market is in a range right now. So if market goes up and reverses from here, you can short the market. In case market crosses this level or crosses the resistance, then wait for 3 to 4 hours and just observe the price. Observe the price and see how the price is doing. If you see that within 3 to 4 hours that price is not struggling, price is not facing any trouble, it is trading comfortably, then it will be an indication to us that the resistance has become the support now, and you can just execute your order. Secondly, if market goes down, then you will get an opportunity to buy at this particular level again. See, market has got support in the weekly time frame, so if market crosses this level also, then also you do not need to short the market, because today is Friday and you do not need to take any risk. Market has got support in the higher time frame, so be careful. So if market reverses from here, then only you should go for a buy order. In case market crosses the level, do not short the market. It may be a fake out, because you may short the market, but after a while you'll see that market has bounced back again and it will hit your stop loss and you will end up losing your money. Therefore, three trading opportunities here. If market comes to the support level, go for a buy. If market reverses from here, the resistance, short the market with confirmation. And in case market crosses the resistance level, you can go for a buy. But do remember to observe the market for 3 to 4 hours and understanding the market psychology. Okay. So this is the analysis for Australian dollar, Canadian dollar for 9th April. Hopefully you have understood, and if you liked the video and found the video informative, please give a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care. See you next week.